Hi Stelio. This is the first video clip, and here I'm going to show you how to log into your um, WordPress console. And then in this clip I'm basically going to show you where to find a specific page, how to change the content of that page, and then also how to upload new photos. Now before I begin, I just want to say that what I did with all the photos that you sent me is I actually resized them first in Photoshop for the website. And you'll see, for instance, the size that I resized it to is, okay, that one is a little bit different, but if I go to the gallery and I open one of those images, the size that I selected to resize them to is basically just the width. I changed to 765 pixels, and then I allowed Photoshop to do it proportionately so that the height basically just fits in with the rest. Okay, so first what you have to do is just after the .co.za you put a / and it's wp-admin, and then you just wait for the login screen to appear. I will send you the username and password in the email, but as you can see, the username is administrator. I'll send you the password. So you click on login, and then the first page that it will take you to is what it's called the dashboard. Okay, so here you see the dashboard. First what you have to do is you go to pages and you click on all pages. Now on the KWest website, like I explained to you, there's only one page because it's only the KWest page. But on the Fashion Trims website, when you go to the pages view, you'll actually see a list of all the pages on Fashion Trims. So in order to edit that page, you just hover over it and select the edit link. Now after the entire page loaded, it will look like this, and I'm using a plugin on your website. It's called the Visual Composer, and that actually helps a lot to do the layout of the pages. And that's basically what you're seeing here in front of you. There you can see the heading Visual Composer. So what the first row that you can actually see now is split into the two columns. There's 2/3 on this side and then 1/3 on that side, where you can see this is the image gallery. That's actually the rotating one on the KWest page. Then when you scroll down, you'll see here's those 3 strips with the different images, and then also the headings and the text underneath. Then underneath that I've got a separator with text that's got the gallery heading, and then underneath that here's your image gallery, the same as on the KWest page, obviously. So normally what I do when I work on a site, I don't know which browser you use, but I always use Google Chrome. So I've always got one tab that is that shows the back end or the control panel of WordPress, but I also keep a separate tab for the front end. And this is just for me to, after I've made the changes on the control panel side, I can just refresh this tab and see if the changes looks correct and if everything loaded fine. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to show you now is just content wise. So for instance, you want to change some of the text inside this section of the site. What you do then is, on this text block, you basically just go and edit it, and it will then load a pop-up with all the text that goes inside that section there. I'm just waiting for it to finish loading. Okay, there you can see all the text, and here you can make the changes. and after you made the changes, you just click Save Changes here, and that will update that block. But it hasn't saved this to the entire page yet. In order to do that, you have to click on Update here on the sidebar. But I'm not going to update now. First, I'm going to show you how to upload new images. So just keep in mind that what I told you about the fact that I already resized the images in Photoshop. So in the photo gallery, I'm just going to click on Edit, and then I'm just going to wait for that pop-up box to load. And here you can see all the images that's already loaded into that image gallery. So for me, in order to load some more, I just click on the plus. But before I do that, I just want to show you, here you can actually specify the thumbnail size of the image gallery, and then unclick. This is just the default one that I use, Open Pretty Photo, and that is the option to basically open the images in this way after you've clicked on it. Okay, so to go back there, I'm just going to click on the plus to add more images. Now first you'll see it will load all the existing images of that gallery. In actual fact, it will load probably more than the images in that gallery. Let me just double check. Okay, so you'll see all the images that is marked with the check marks. Those are the images that's loaded into the gallery, but when I scroll down, you'll see there's additional images that's basically just in your WordPress gallery. And so for instance, there's one of them that you want to add to this specific gallery on this page. You can just add them by clicking on the checkbox, or basically just click on the image and then it will select it to be added. But I haven't uploaded the images yet of the last ones that you sent me, the more K-West gallery pics. So basically what I need to do is click on Upload Files, and then you can either just click on Select Files and browse to where those files are, or you can just basically select all the files in a different window and drag them over and then drop them there, and you will see now the progress of how those images upload. I'm just going to wait until all those images uploaded. And you'll also notice that after each image uploaded, it creates the thumbnail just for you to see what image lies where. Okay, as you can see, all the images uploaded and they are selected, and after the last one uploaded, this Add Images button will be enabled. So now I just click Add Images, and here you can see the order that they've been loaded. Now on this pop-up, you can also now drag the images to wherever on the gallery you want it. So say for instance you want that one to be before that one. You see what I mean? You can move them around and specify how they must, in what order they must display. So after that, I just click on Save Changes, and then it will actually upload or update this gallery here. And then when I'm done with that, I just click on Update on the right hand side of the screen. After clicking on that update button, you'll notice that the entire page refreshes and loads again. Okay, so when you go to the front page now and you refresh this page, you will notice that it added the additional photos to the gallery. Okay, so the page reloaded, and when you scroll down, you'll notice that it added those new images to the gallery. And that's how you update the content as well as the image galleries. Thanks.